here, guys, in St. Vital Park for the YouTube meet and greet. It is Saturday, July 23rd. Lots of geese, deer, squirrels, lots of people walking. The weather's changing again, clouds are starting to roll in. Good morning, guys. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We're at St. Vital Park for the 2022 YouTube meet and greet. It's still early. It's just after 10. The event's running today from 10 until 2. So the meet and greet is between 10 and noon, and from noon till 2, some food served and some more meeting and greeting as well. So a few of us are here right now.
Like a horse, yeah. Everybody stick your head in the bowl.
Hey, just wait. We gotta have Ian's story time. Come on.
Yeah.
We gotta have Ian's story time on our show.
And we'll start
We'll
with Kelly and work our way
with
around.
Kevin and Kelly and work our way around. You know what? Okay.
Round table here. Introductions.
Introductions.
Okay, we're gonna do
I'm the good half.
introduction.
She's the other half. And then there's
Ian.
Oh, Ian. Ian from Ian Gath. It's actually pronounced Gath, but everybody says Gath.
Where are you from, Ian?
Where am I from? Well, we don't have enough time or a long enough video.
Just the latest
I
address
live
will
in
be
Regina.
fine. Yeah,
I live in
Regina, that's
Regina,
all we need,
Saskatchewan.
yeah.
and I spent a week there one afternoon. Yes.
Yeah.
And then we have Fred.
Yeah, I'm Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, and I hail from Thunder Bay, Ontario, and came up for the meet and greet this year.
Welcome. Yeah.
And then everybody knows me. I'm Dry Shafter. I'm here from Winnipeg. There you go.
Did you bring your guitar?
And
Pardon me?
Did you bring your guitar?
No, actually I didn't.
Drew's the great guy that helped put all this together, actually.
Thanks,
So,
Drew.
right on, buddy. Right on.
No problem. And then we have another Drew.
And then me, I'm Explore with Drew from Winnipeg here. These are all good YouTubers. Subscribe to their channels.
Yeah. And then me, well, I'm Glenn from Mudnut 59, and I too came from Thunder Bay. Drove out here Friday, and well, it was a good trip, and just to see all you guys. So, and the last guy here.
I'm Scott. I'm from On Location in Scott, and I'm from Winnipeg.
And he's on location.
And I'm
On location, yeah.
At St. Vital Park
Yeah.
with all these dudes and
Yeah.
dudettes.
He's from Winnipeg, but sometimes from Arizona.
He's a half and half.
Yeah, everybody's got their cameras out doing the same thing.
Yeah, we're all doing this.
Listen,
If you
video
ever go,
45
if you ever
times.
go watch his live, there's sometimes he doesn't know where he's from. That's true.
Sometimes he doesn't know what he's doing.
Or doing, exactly.
Yeah.
Get in there.
And we got buns, and we've got food, and there's gonna be leftovers too.
Yeah.
And you know this is the most expensive barbecue in the world.
Yeah.
Don't get that.
Yeah.
That
I
can't
just
beat
stand
that.
it.
No.
And this is what it is. If everybody wants to know, this is the barbecue.
Yeah, dollar store barbecue, yeah.
At the dollar store?
Yeah, dollar store.
And it comes with percuts and everything. eh?
Yeah.
$3.
Yeah.
At the dollar.
They've had them for a while there.
Come preset, all you do is pull out the bag and light
Oh,
them.
no? Yeah. All right, we're just wrapping lunch up here.
It's about a 6-hour drive.
Wow.
No,
Cookies of actual.
Yeah, cookies, peanut butter cookies.
Yeah.
I have a friend that lives in Regina, but I've never been.